Welcome to a quick walkthrough of the 2026 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2509S. Outside, the Rockwood Mini Lite 2509S is set up for family camping, with smooth fiberglass sides, frameless windows, plus Rockwood's enclosed underbelly for added protection. Around the back corner is the outdoor kitchen, with griddle and fridge, so you can cook breakfast or burgers without ever leaving the action under the awning. Inside the slide is a roomy U-shaped dinette, giving the family space to sit down for meals, games, or rainy day hangouts, all with a big window looking out over your campsite. At night, this dinette converts into another sleeping space, and there is storage under the cushions for those bulkier items you still want close at hand. The kitchen is set up to actually cook. You get solid countertops with a flip-up extension, a 3-burner range with oven, microwave, and a 12-volt refrigerator to keep food cold while you travel. Plus, overhead cabinets and drawers gives you real prep room and storage, so making meals for the crew feels simple, even on longer trips. At the front, the Murphy bed folds down over the sofa at night to create a comfortable queen-size sleeping area, then lifts back up in the morning so you have a full couch and more floor space. Side wardrobes and overhead cabinets keep clothes and bedding organized without crowding the room. In the rear corner are double bunks, giving kids or guests their own real mattresses instead of tiny bunks. There is storage underneath and a rear cargo door. Next to the bunk sits the bathroom, with a shower, foot flush toilet, and a sink with medicine cabinet, packing all the essentials into a compact space so everyone has a true onboard bathroom instead of relying on the campground. Thanks for checking out the 2026 Rockwood Mini Lite 2509S. If this bunkhouse layout helped you out, tap like, drop any questions in the comments, and subscribe so you do not miss the next RV walkthrough on this channel. Hope to see you out camping soon.